Large, high-powered AC motors are very different from their low-voltage, low-power counterparts. When a small motor reaches the end of its life or becomes unreliable, it is relatively simple to buy a replacement off the shelf and have it installed without too much disruption to the process. Large motors and generators, by comparison, are usually very expensive, built to order, and, as we saw in an earlier module, take a long time to install and commission. It is for these reasons that it is important to maximize the lifetime of the existing machine with proper maintenance, so the cost of ownership is minimized. ABB Leap gathers stator winding insulation data that is used to provide recommendations for ongoing maintenance, along with a prediction of stator insulation lifetime with an 80% confidence level. A single leap test can provide sufficient information which avoids costly downtime. This is achieved by using dedicated equipment which combines traditional and ABB-designed AC and DC tests, the results of which are analyzed using advanced techniques. This builds a detailed picture of the stator winding's insulation condition. The measurement data is processed using an analytical and empirical model that draws on a database of several thousand other test results. This refines the results into a detailed and reliable stator winding insulation condition profile. The profile outlines the life expectancy of the stator windings, enabling replacement or rewinding to be accurately anticipated. Whether low power or high power, low or medium voltage, on or offline, effective condition monitoring helps to minimize the time spent on maintenance breaks, spots problems that could cause breakdowns, and helps pinpoint the location of the problems, so the needed maintenance can be carried out more efficiently. All of this lowers the cost of not running in the cost of ownership equation, bringing down the overall cost of owning a motor or generator over its lifetime. And when costs come down, productivity and profitability increase accordingly. For more videos and tutorials about ABB and how our products can help enhance the world around us, please be sure to visit us at www.abb.com. Let's write the future together.